Friends, to know your Bheem UPI ID on Google Pay or Phone Pay, I will explain you in simple steps. First, to open Phone Pay. After opening it, you click on your profile photo. Then, if you see in this menu, the second one is My Bheem UPI ID. If you click on it, in the top side, the Bheem UPI ID is appeared. That's it in Phone Pay. Now we will see in the Google Pay. Go to Google Pay. Now click on your profile photo. Then go to settings. If you see beside your photo, UPI ID is appeared. So this is the way how to know your Bheem UPI ID.